crazy laugh every time she cracks my toes.
I can't help it. It's nasty.
You already cracked that one at the same time. Try the big toe. They won't crack like that. You have to push them down. Try this one. Alright, now crack my ankles. Push my ankles down. What is this, CPR? Hold on, hold on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm good. What was that? What was that? What was that popping noise? What was that popping noise? It wasn't my ankle. It was your hand.
I got scared. I popped it.
Can you suck it?
I thought it hurt. That's why you cried.
I didn't cry.
I got scared.
I really was about to be my pants. Here, I'll crack your ankle.
No, I'm good. I'm good.